Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve social media presence with Buffer, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit Buffer's website and create an account if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, connect your social media profiles to Buffer. Choose the platforms you want to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Now, go to the scheduling feature on your dashboard. Select the time slots that work best for your audience. Next, create your content. Craft engaging posts that reflect your brand's voice and message. Be sure to use high-quality images or videos to capture attention. Once your content is ready, add it to your Buffer queue. Buffer allows you to customize your posts for each platform. Take advantage of this feature to optimize your message for different audiences. Now, let's talk about analytics. Buffer provides analytics to help you understand how your posts perform. Review the engagement metrics regularly to see what works best. Based on the data, adjust your content strategy accordingly. Respond to comments and messages to build community. Consistency is key, so maintain a regular posting schedule. Use Buffer's scheduling tool to ensure your posts go live at the best times. Finally, keep testing new content styles and formats. Experiment with different types of posts to find what resonates with your audience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your social media presence with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.